Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two popular dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the 70mai M300. Get ready for some serious camera action. First up, let's talk about the most important aspect of any dash cam, the camera quality. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts a 4K Ultra HD recording capability, giving you stunningly clear footage. With its super night vision technology, even low light conditions won't be a problem. On the other hand, the 70mai M300 offers a 1296p QHD resolution and a 140 degrees wide-angle FOV. While it may not have the same 4K capabilities, it still captures crucial details on the road. Now let's talk about battery life. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with a built-in supercapacitor, ensuring stable power supply and longevity. You won't have to worry about the battery dying on you during long drives. On the other hand, the 70mai M300 also offers reliable battery performance, but it doesn't have the same supercapacitor technology as its competitor. Moving on to features, both dash cams have their own unique offerings. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to view and manage your recordings with ease. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share them on social media. Additionally, it has GPS functionality, recording your driving location and speed accurately. On the other hand, the 70mai M300 offers parking monitoring with its built-in G sensor. It can detect shakes or collisions even when you're away from your vehicle. It also has time-lapse recording, compressing long hours of footage into minutes for quick playback. Now let's talk about the price. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes in at $119, while the 70mai M300 is priced at $59. It's clear that the 70mai M300 is the more affordable option here. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the 70mai M300 have battled it out, and each has its own strengths. If you want unparalleled video quality and a wide range of features, go for the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. But if you're on a budget and still want a reliable dash cam, the 70mai M300 won't disappoint. Thanks for watching this comparison on Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and make wise choices.